The PeakStates method. What is it? The PeakStates method is used to resolve trauma and achieve better states of consciousness. Trauma does not have to be related to severe events like accident, wars, or abuse, which is sometimes referred to as big T trauma, but also trauma which can happen in normal everyday life, which is referred to as small t trauma. Troublesome emotions like worry, anxiety, grief, or disappointment keep us from being calm, peaceful, and emotionally light. In the mid-1990s, Dr. Grant McFedridge, the founder of the Institute for the Study of Peak States, discovered that traumatic moments could be quickly resolved. Healing trauma in this way can even uncover enhanced states of consciousness and might help you feel emotionally balanced more of the time.